Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Bitcoin, and also I'll take you over Ethereum. Other cryptos platforms like Mara, MSTR, Riot, Coinbase, those videos will be coming out later. But so in this video, I'll be focusing on the Bitcoin and Ethereum price action and what can we be expecting out of this. So guys, with that, hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, right? So what we were talking about, especially with Bitcoin, right? So right from this point, I have been saying that, guys, this time, as we are getting this good green candle over here, that this structure is bullish structure, and any pullback into this candle zone of the previous pivot is a potential of getting bought back up. And we were also out of the channel. So yes, I said the pullback will be bought back up, and we got that next explosive move on Bitcoin, confirming the inverted head and shoulder pattern here. That's a bullish pattern. Then after that, we got this big green candle. And I mentioned that, guys, well, if any pullback comes, that is just a buy as long as we are not breaking below $63,900. Well, we got some pullback and off to the races again, went up. And then we got this next green candle again. If you have been following just my videos and the trades, like, you are already in so much money on Bitcoin. Now, what is happening up here, right? When we got up here, I'm like, okay, this is one of the, so this is where I called out, guys, okay, this another move is coming to $71,000 almost. We got those moves. And then I said, right now we're still bullish, guys. Like, as long as any pullback comes and we stay above the level of $67,289, this is still a bullish structure. And Bitcoin is finding support right now. So, well, yeah, that's it is. And we are still bullish and things have been going up. Structure, trend line, however you want to do it, it's still full on bullish, higher highs, higher lows, right? We have higher pivots all the time right now on Bitcoin. So what can we be expecting from Bitcoin from here on? Well, so guys, here's the thing. Technically, the time to take the position, if you have been following my videos, you already know that it's at the pivots, right? And with the stop loss on the other side. So right now, Bitcoin is still looking strong. I can see this is a deeper pullback for also the reasons that it's at all-time highs again, almost there, right? So this still has a potential to go up here to 71,000, a potential. Again, you have to have a stop loss regardless. And then we will see if this forms a double top, because this is a deeper pullback. Deeper pullback usually it happens at the top. But so far, there is no concrete evidence that this is the top, right? We have to see if the price action rejects and then come much lower again, then we will start to see weakness. But right now, things are still looking bullish on Bitcoin. You can actually, let's go to the 4 hours interval. The best way would be as well, just I showed you, like higher highs, higher lows, right? That's the best way. But also you can use this trend line. Again, it's not going to be penny to penny perfect, but you get the idea, right? You can follow the trend line sorta that, like for example, previously our channel was held so nicely, right? The channel that we were in, right over here. And then once we broke out of this channel, we've tried to find a support at that channel, and then we started to go up and up, right? So, yeah. Oops, yeah, here we go. So, yeah, guys, yes, so far things are still good on this. Things are still bullish in my opinion on Bitcoin. Yeah. Again, like if we, yeah, technically it has a direction of 71,000 again. And let's say if it has to be a lower high here at this point, then the breakout structure is below. It's not an easy breakout structure, guys, to be honest. This has a 20 and 50 days moving average support coming in from underneath. So it's not an easy breakout structure. The structure will break on Bitcoin if it loses $65,000 almost. Then we will see some structural break, but otherwise this may either go choppy or just stay bullish and slowly make its way higher. All right, so that's your Bitcoin as for its current price action. And let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is being, after this green candle, it's a demand candle, right? So you can see any pullbacks into this candle have been bought back up. I did mention that there's this 200 days moving average support holding. I wasn't expecting this massive green candle. I wasn't prepared for it. I was talking about thinking of buying an Ethereum ETF here, but then like a covered call ETF in my dividend channel. I mean, there's, I have my dividend portfolio channel as well. And yeah, I didn't buy it. And if I would have bought it, that would have been an amazing move already. But anyways, on Ethereum, yeah, we are still bullish, guys. Structure is full on bullish. On Ethereum, even if a pullback comes to $3,300, almost 3,359, any pullback to this level is just a pullback. That's just a pullback. It is bullish. So structure is not bearish. This could be average cost in just my opinion, right? It could be average cost down into it if you're looking to swing it into the pullbacks, and then this could be traded to the upside. Break on the structure on this to the downside is only when it loses this $3,350. So $3,350. If it loses that, then maybe we can see some cool off again. But yeah, it has a lot of room to just stay. Pullbacks on this are just a bullish pullbacks, and things can eventually go higher. If you are an intraday trader, you can use these levels. If it breaks one level, you can try to trade to the downside the next level. But since you are trading against the direction, you have to be careful. Just those have to be only intraday trades or scalp trades, not like a swing plays. You can see once we broke this level on this candle, we got to the next level, found support there, right? But anyways, so guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.